In problem 9, you need to identify congruent triangles based on some points being plotted. So first we have R at -3, 1. We have S at 1, -1. And we have T at 2, 2. Right, so there's one triangle. Our other triangle is located at the coordinates 2, -3. So that's J. And 4, 1. That's K. And then finally 5, -4. Okay, and that is L. So here's our other triangle. Once we have the triangles plotted, we can now start finding their lengths. So if we start with the red triangle, we find the measures RS is equal to the square root of the difference of their x's. So 1 minus a -3 squared plus the difference of their y's. -1 minus 1 squared. That gives us 4 squared plus a -2 squared, which is 16 plus 4, or root 20. Okay, we can move to ST. ST is equal to the square root of the difference of their x's, 2 minus 1 squared, plus the difference of their y's, 2 minus a -1 squared. That's going to give us 1 squared plus 3 squared, 1 plus 9, which is root 10. And then finally, the last measure, TR, is the difference of the x's, 2 minus a -3 squared, plus 2 minus 1 squared, gives us 5 squared and 1 squared. 25 plus 1 gives us root 26. So we don't have to simplify any of those. We're simply going to leave them because we want to compare them to the measures of the other triangle. So let's try the other triangle. We have JK, square root of, again, difference of their x's, 4 minus 2 squared, plus difference of their y's, 1 minus a -3 squared, gives us 2 squared plus 4 squared, or root 20. Okay, if we take KL is equal to the square root of, again, difference of x's, 4 minus a 5 squared, 1 minus a -4 squared. When I simplify, I get -1 squared plus 5 squared, 1 plus 25, or root 26. And then finally, LJ, square root of, again, difference of x's, 5 minus 2 squared, difference of y's, -4 minus a -3 becomes plus 3 squared. And when we simplify this, we get 3 squared plus a -1 squared, 9 plus 1, or root 10. So here we see which sides correspond to each other. So RS has a length of root 20. It corresponds to JK. We have ST with a length of 10, root 10. It corresponds to LJ. And finally, we have TR with a length of root 26. That corresponds to KL. And so the congruent statement that we can write here is RST is congruent to, again, R is opposite 1 tick mark, so is K. S is opposite 3 tick marks, so is J. And finally, T is opposite 2 tick marks, so is L. So here's our statement, and the pattern is 3 pair of corresponding sides, therefore SSS is the pattern.